My friend Herbert told me that water and snow and steam are all really the same substance.
My goodness. I had no idea.
It's true, snow and steam are just water in different states.
I knew that. I mean, I had no idea you and Herbert were friends. But do go on about states of matter. I know it will break your little robot heart not to talk about it.
Herbert would never insult me like that. Anyway, here are the 3 states of matter. Solid. Liquid. And gas.
Got it? Solid, liquid, and gas.
Don't interrupt. Herbert never interrupts me.
Oh. Okay.
A solid keeps its own shape. A liquid flows to fill the bottom of its container. A gas expands to fill the inside of a closed container. Just about any substance can occur in more than one state. Add heat to a solid and it will turn to its liquid state. This is called melting. Add heat to a liquid and it will turn to its gas state. This is called evaporation. Sometimes the solid will go straight to a gas. This is called sublimation. Each of these state changes works backwards too. Instead of adding heat, you take heat away. Gas minus heat gives you liquid. This is called condensation. Subtract heat from a liquid and you get a solid. We call this freezing.
Are you finished?
I'm going to go visit Herbert.
What's gotten you into such a state?
Freezing.